morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to the new vlog. This is probably gonna be the best one so far.
So at the moment we're at Roi Yot National Park.
Let me show you what's coming up. Oh my god, can you see that behind me? That hole over there? That's where we're going.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running.
So guys, we are in Roi Yot National Park. We're on a wetland.
All too fast, but I'm not leaving.
Yeah, the views are amazing. If you're new here, we are Danny and Diggy, an English-Polish couple from the UK.
We have quit our jobs to follow our dream of exploring Thailand for the next year.
If you love good food, views, beaches,
And want to see more of this beautiful country,
join us on our journey.
Feel like I could never leave. Do the same, we can't go back. This is all we
Just a quick stop to check the sat-nav. Guys, it's so windy. We are actually freezing on this bike. Sun's out, but it's still cold on the bike. And it's so windy. We're being basically pushed by the wind. It's like quite wobbly on the bike as well today. Let's carry on.
Yeah, the road is a bit crazy around here. They should rename this province the Windy Province. You get pushed around quite a bit on the bike because it's so flat. But some of the roads we're on now, they're brand new. So they're nice to drive on. This is super windy.
Right, after 1 hour long journey, we finally made it. Our bums are sore. We don't have food for you. 200 baht entrance fee to the national park. Not too bad. Sure, it's gonna be worth it. Right, I've got big expectations from this cave. I always wanted to come here. So yeah, it should be good. Make sure you wear proper shoes because it's quite rocky here. You will break your toes if you're gonna come here in flip-flops.
Here at the moment we're making our way over the top of the cliff. And they say it's about a half-hour walk. So we will get up to the top, we're on our way, back down the other side. And then we should be at the beach. And from the beach, apparently it's quite easy from the beach. So this is the worst bit, going up and down here.
But the views are amazing already.
Yeah, cool.
Right, we're not stopping anywhere. We're heading straight there because there is a beautiful light in the cave coming over the temple. And we really want to see that. So, no stopping, going straight there. Yes!
Yeah, so from the beach, it's only an 850 meter walk to the actual cave. It seems quite flat at the moment, so should be fine. Yeah, so these monkeys, the dusky langurs, they seem to be everywhere in this province. We've already seen them already. Hopefully we'll see them again up in the trees, hopefully. As long as they don't take my pineapple.
Quick stop for Sapara. Well, this sign says the Gulf of Thailand is sheltered gulf which gives it calm blue waters. Maybe, but not today. From what we saw, sea is quite rough today and it's quite windy, making the water look all murky, so that's a shame. Right, think we're nearly there. Right, we're just outside of the entrance to the cave. And guys, it looks amazing already. Check this out. Oh my god, can you see that behind me? That hole over there? That's where we're going. Whoa!
Yeah, so this place was actually discovered 200 years ago, and it was King Rama V who actually ordered the building of this pavilion within this cave. So I'm excited to go and see it because it looks spectacular. Let's go.
Lovely breeze up here. It looks amazing. Danny's legging it because we want to get the right light when we're in a cave and that temple. I don't know which way we should go. I think that way. So Danny went that way. Oh my god, I can see it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. This is unbelievable. Honestly, it's so beautiful. Honestly, it's so beautiful. I always wanted to come here. It's beautiful. It is better than I ever imagined. Wow.
Looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This place is so beautiful. I didn't expect it to be like this. The main thing is, as soon as you walk into the cave, you just catch a little glimpse. You see the sun coming down, but once you pass through, like the natural bridge, it's beautiful. I think we came at the right time. The sun's just shining down. It looks amazing with the colour of this as well. It just looks beautiful. Quickly turn around, I'll show you something else quickly. Yeah, so behind me, you can see there's 3 monograms. You can see one here. This is where the 3 kings have visited here to come and see the pavilion, and they've marked their monograms upon the wall behind me, which is quite cool. So these monograms are years old. It looks amazing though. I can't stop looking.
Phraya Nakhon Cave, it was discovered 200 years ago.
So within these caves there are skylights which are actually sinkholes, and due to nature the trees have actually overtaken and grown root in the caverns below the skylights, which makes it look beautiful.
It's so beautiful. There is definitely some animals around here. There's some weird noises coming out deep from the cave. I wonder what kind of animals they've got in here.
It's beautiful, but it seems a lot more golden from the entrance when you come in. It's a bit duller this side, but it's just so cool. The hole is just above me. It's just, I love it. I love this place. It's so nice.
We're so lucky we managed to get here on time. We really wanted to come here so you can see this lovely light shining through the sinkhole, shining over the temple. It looks beautiful. Make sure you get here. The best time is between 10 and 11 a.m.
We're so lucky we got here at the right time because now the sun has shifted. It's not even on the temple now.
So this place is the reason actually why we came to Prachuap Khiri Khan. I I've seen long time ago. Basically, it popped out on the Google Images, that cave. And I said to myself, I have to come and visit here one day. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks stunning. It was worth it coming all the way to Prachuap Khiri Khan to see it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Like I said, it's nice and quiet now because the sun has moved off the temple now, so everyone's gone. But it's so peaceful as well. So try and get here between, I'd say, aim for 10, 10 to half 11. After half 11, the sun starts shifting off a bit, and it's still beautiful, but you won't get those amazing pictures and the light bouncing off of the pavilion.
Yeah, we made it down now. One thing I have to say, this is definitely one of the best things we've done in Thailand. Yeah, but I'm so really surprised there's not much people over there, because it was amazing. It was absolutely stunning. I guess this area is a little bit far from Bangkok or main touristy areas, but I just don't understand why there's no more people here. Don't get me wrong, I loved it, because you know me, I don't like crowds, but yeah, it was amazing. This is not the end of the Roi Yot National Park. Stay tuned because we're taking you somewhere else. I was so happy we've done with the hill. I forgot about this one.
Right, so what I forgot to mention also is we hiked all this. Altogether it will take you around 45 minutes to come over the hill and get up to the actual pavilion. But when the weather is decent, there's actually a boat that will take you around, but there's no option today because, as you've seen, it's super windy. So we have to walk. Let's go.
On the way back, there is a viewpoint. We're just gonna quickly show you guys what that looks like.
It's not that bad. You can see both directions now, where you come up in one valley and back down the other side to where we've just come from. You see a long way from here. It's cool.
Yeah, the views are amazing. Woo!
Come on. Drink. So get some fuel, self-service here.
The Google Maps took us the wrong way. If you want to find the place where we're going, you have to go to look for the ranger station in Roi Yot. Right, so we just literally were driving and we came around the corner and we just saw where we actually heading. Absolutely crazy. Check out this view. I'm not sure if you actually can see it on a camera, but it shows you how big this wetland area is. It's crazy.
It looks massive. Yeah, massive.
Check it out. We have arrived. We found a place. Let's hope they've got a boat for us. Right, so we all paid 500 baht for the boat. Can't wait to go on it.
Pick it up.
Yeah. Amazing is this, eh?
It's amazing. This looks really cool. We've only just started. But yeah, we're just taking a tour through the wetlands, and I think maybe we might go to the boardwalk as well, possibly.
So cool. I love it. So guys, we are in Roi Yot National Park. We're on the wetland. and we exploring. It's amazing. It's just us here. There's nobody else on the marshlands. The views are unbelievable. We're seeing so many birds I've never seen before. A lot of little kingfishers as well. It's just so peaceful. It's so beautiful. The weather is amazing. Yeah. Right, we're going for a little walk now.
Just got to show our ticket we bought earlier. So keep hold of these if you go to any of the places. So yeah, with our boat rides, we also got a ticket from the previous place, and there's a boardwalk here you can go on. So we're just going to walk around the boardwalk. We got 20 minutes here to walk around and chill. But it's
Look
so
at the
nice.
view.
It's so nice just to look up, because behind you got the limestone cliffs. The other way, it's just pure wetland. I can see some mountains back over there, but this goes on forever.
But you can still see how big this area is. It's huge.
But still, the boat ride's the best bit. I enjoy going on the boat. That's my favourite thing. Just sit back. It doesn't have a massive, noisy, loud engine either.
No, it's not very loud.
So it just like pop, 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 goes along. It's good. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Nice and relaxing.
Right, we have 20 minutes here, but it's not much here, so we're just gonna grab some biscuits and then go back on the boat. Kapun ka. Kapun ka. Sawadee ka. Oh, that was amazing. I loved it. Yeah?
Yeah, that was really good. It's worth the 500 to go and do that. And the good thing is, like I said before, we got the boardwalk as well, which is a bonus.
Yeah, but we've seen so many wildlife, birds. So much birds. So many birds. Different types. Not sure what they are called. So many cows. But the important thing is, keep your ticket from when you paid a national park fee in the cave, 200 baht, sand everywhere, 200 baht, keep that ticket, because then when you get off the boat around the walk, then you don't have to pay it again.
Yeah, basically, you only pay the park fee once. So if you go to one attraction, keep it for the whole day, because wherever you go, they'll ask you for this ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah, so keep it.
Yeah.
So it's 200 baht, and you can maybe go to like 10 different places. There's loads of caves, everything. So yes, if you want to find this place, basically it's only a 20-minute drive from the cave we went to. So if you tap into Google, I think it's Ranger Station 4, you'll find it. It's not, yeah, it's very easy to find.
Right, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna finish the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give us a like if you like this video. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down so we know what you guys like or not. What else?
And also comment. If you have any comments, write them below.
Yeah, if you put the thumbs down, let us know why you didn't like the video. And if you put the thumbs up, let us know why you like this video. So see you next one.
See ya.
Bye.
Just looks beautiful, really beautiful. As beautiful as you.
Shut up.